Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial and today we are going to create this beautiful festive platter using our iCraft base, and here I'm just gonna use this my newly favorite product, resin insert sheets. So these are the lot of designs are available in this. I'm going to use this particularly blue one right now. So let's get started. So quickly I'll unopen this one. So this comes in a two parts. So moreover this one, inside we will be painting with the white color chalk paint, and this outside I will be using my lime color sheets. Chalk paints goes very smoothly and very easily on MDF surface especially. And this gives an excellent stunning look, and it's a matte finish, so it's more fun to use. And here in the sides I'm just using my lime shade mixing with my white chalk paint. So here we'll paint this well, even the edges and everything. Don't forget to paint your sides while working. So meanwhile it's getting dried, we'll start painting on the top. As our flowers are blue, so I've taken the shade of blue for the top layer. You can also take the shade of green. So meanwhile this is getting dried, we will just paint this with the darker color. So here for the dark color, I'm just taking a darker shade of green. Quickly again I'll paint with my sides and everything. So while painting, you need to make sure that you paint your sides as well as. So you buy any platter from our website, all the platter has the same process. You can just paint your base with the lighter shades and outline with the darker shades, and always use a chalk paint on the MDF because acrylic never goes very well on these surface. So chalk paint is a basically furniture paint which goes perfectly on any wooden surface. Here in this, you can also use a Insta Transfer or Flimsy. I'm using right now Flimsy, that's a resin insert sheets. There you go. After painting both of this one, now we will start cutting our flowers. So as we decided, we are going to use this design. This design number is 5, and we will cut these flowers into the shape. You can also cut just a little around. Right now I'm not doing very detailed cutting, I'm just cutting this once around. This is how we will cut few flowers quickly. After, I'll just cut these individual flowers. So now we will just give them a more deep cut, more neat and finishing cut. So here I'm just giving a quickly little deep cut, neat and finishing cut. The more neat you cut, it will give you better finishing. Similarly, we will do to all the flowers. After cutting these all flowers, we will start placing these on platters, and we will layer this with this outline. So here I'm using my normal glue. So here using normal glue and sticking this one. And you can just stick them, align it properly. The color itself is looking so pretty and beautiful. Now we will take these all flowers and we'll start setting up them. This flower also you can stick with the glue. And you can also overlap on each other. Here might be in these sides, I'll just trim it a little bit. This way. So after trimming, when you place them, it looks more pretty. Other side also we will be doing it similarly, but from the top side. Again, I will trim this area. taking another flower and just place it below. And these half sheets also we will stick it here. So here our floral arrangement is ready and it's looking like a wow. So here now we will accessorize this with the beautiful acrylic mirrors by iCraft, and it's a green in shade, so this will suit very beautifully. So I will just place them in the center. There is always a plastic protected film on these mirrors. After applying, you can remove them. So these mirrors are absolutely giving beautiful look and completely standing out for the traditional. So here is this beautiful platter is ready with the acrylic mirror, resin insert sheets and chalk pin and festive platters. So do let me know in comment how did you find this tutorial, and if you want to have such more tutorial, don't forget to subscribe us.